did General Grievous get his cough? In the 2003 Clone Wars series, General Grievous engaged in combat with Mace Windu. Windu used the power of the Force to crush his chestplate, dealing him a massive blow to the midsection and causing the cough. The 2003 Clone Wars series has since become de-canon. In the commentary track for Revenge of the Sith, Lucas came into work one day with a cough, and he wanted to use it for General Grievous's character. This is quite a bad reason in my opinion. I much prefer the 2003 Clone Wars reason. Another thing you might not know is that Dooku's agents sabotaged General Grievous's shuttle, which resulted in a gruesome crash that left the man on the brink of death. Grievous was offered conversion into an enhanced cybernetic being by the Sith, who were interested in experimenting with technology on advanced human beings. His remaining vital organs implanted into a powerful robotic body after the majority of his organic body was destroyed. But over time, he gradually started to make considerable improvements to his cybernetic. The reconstructed Grievous became a skilled lightsaber duelist under Dooku's guidance, who trained him in the arts of lightsaber combat and eventually welcomed him into a position as a warrior in the Confederacy. Another thing they left out from the